How to change meal names in Myfitnesspal app. Firstly, open Myfitnesspal app. You can see here at the bottom there is option of dashboard, diary, newsfeed, plans and the more. Click on diary here. Then how to change your meal names. Click on any of the meal here. And you can see here there is an option of meal. Click on it and you can change your meal name from here like lunch, dinner, snacks here. In this way you can change your meal names on Myfitnesspal app. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Consider your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.